Hey, what's up you guys? It's Tykina Beauty. I am back with another video and this one's pretty exciting because I'm doing a giveaway. What? So in this month of October, I'm going to be doing two giveaways. The first one is going to be on skincare, and this is what this video is all about. My skincare routine, what I do, and what you guys are going to be winning. So for the past 2 months, I've been doing my research and seeing what works for my skin, what doesn't work for my skin, and I would love to give these products away. I'm giving so much away. I'm giving face mask away. I'm giving facial creams, and I'm giving away face washes, oils for your skin, multi-oil use oils, and facial wipes. I'm gonna come in with more stuff. I'm just waiting to do more videos, and you guys will keep seeing what you will get. But I'm going to start off with my skincare routine, then I'll get into more details of how you will win. So, you know what you got to do. You got to stay tuned, keep up with me, keep watching, subscribe, comment, stay connected, and you will win. So before washing my face off with anything, I always wipe my face, even if I'm not wearing makeup. Like right now, I'm not wearing makeup. I'm about to go to work, so you guys are going to see what I do to get ready for work. I am doing a little not partnership, but like a little sponsor thing with a brand that has free shipping on all their stuff. I got this bathing suit top from Oh Desire. It comes with a matching bottom, really cheap, and I got to use my discount code for that, which was really nice to get money off. I will link below my discount code that you can use. They have really good stuff on there, and they always reach out to you. So definitely check Oh Desire out. They're really amazing. Next, I'm going to wash my face with the Ultra Facial Oil-Free Cleanser by Kiehl's. I love this. I will be giving this away. I feel like this works for any type of skin. It says it's for normal to oily skin. I have combination, so I think this is perfect for anybody's skin, literally. I'm going to wash my face, and I will be right back. I am back. My face is washed. Now I'm going to go in with a toner. I'm using my favorite toner in the whole wide world. It is the Thayer's Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula Rose Petal Toner, and you will be winning this too as well. So, gonna put that everywhere around my face. Next, I'm going in with the Acure, the Essentials Rose Hip Oil. This is a very high quality and a reasonably priced rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is very expensive. It has good benefits to it. That's why I'm assuming why it's the price point it is. This helps with dark spots, helps with moisturizing but not overbearing. I feel like it actually seeps through the skin. People are very wary about wearing oils on the skin, but I really recommend it. I think it's better, and I feel like if you wear it, if you put it on first and then put on, you know, your creams and stuff, it'll work. Of course, I'm going to say this is for normal to combination skin. But I even do put it on my forehead. I have an oily forehead, and I don't seem to have any problems with it at all. So I like to put this everywhere on my face, especially under my eyes. My under eyes are the driest, so I like to keep that moisturized. Then I'm going to go in with my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil-Free Lotion. I'm thinking about putting this in the giveaway too as well. If you guys have products you like, I'm still adding things to the giveaway, but for the most part, this is the things that you will be getting. I'm going to be giving away more Acure products because I really like their brand. I'm going to be giving away Acure under eye mask and face mask. I don't have them here because I use them up because I really like them, and that says a lot because I buy so many face masks. But I will be giving those away. Probably gonna picture them down below or have a link for them, but there's gonna be more products added to this giveaway. This giveaway won't end until mid-October. I'm still looking for a date, but you guys are open to join. And how you can join is if you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will link my Instagram down below. It's Taikina, Taikina, and there's a picture of me and just my face there. I will picture it here as well, and it gives you details on how you can enter. And all you have to do is tag a friend on my Instagram post and just tell me the products that you like or what you're using at the moment. I will do my research. I probably will even buy the product and test it out, and if I like it, I will probably put it in the giveaway and you might win. So definitely you guys enter in. It's a really easy giveaway. All you have to do is tell me your favorite products and I might include it in this giveaway. I'm so excited for this giveaway. I'm going to keep doing videos on skincare. I feel like it's very knowledgeable and it's good to learn about this journey that we're going to do on skincare. Keep watching my videos. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please and thank you. I appreciate all the support I've gotten from my subscribers, my followers. Keep staying updated with what I'm going to do next for the second giveaway. I'm pretty excited for that. It's definitely going to be Halloween inspired, and it's definitely going to be on makeup. So we're definitely going to get intact with that. So keep on watching, you guys, and thank you so much for all the love and support. I appreciate it. No matter how big it is or how little it is, I do appreciate the love. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace, love, and happiness. Bye, you guys.